This is how you start with the garden. That's my pitchfork. Because I have since found out in the past week or so that I can stay in this apartment, or at least I can stay for a while. And because of the pandemic, I'm going back to growing food. In this area of the yard, I, for about 20 years, had a huge, beautiful herb garden. And then about maybe 5 years ago, when I knew I'd be leaving, which I haven't done yet, I kind of let the garden, I took all the rocks are over there now, I took the edging away from it and I let it go back to grass. And but now, this is how you start. I'm going to start with pumpkins, tomatoes, and onions. 3 things that are fairly easy to grow, and it's going to allow me to have my own food. And the first step is to take a pitchfork, and this grass goes about 8 or 9 inches deep with the roots. Take a pitchfork, turn over, go down about 8 to 10 inches, turn it over, and leave the grass upside down. And that will kill the grass roots. And then the next day, you come back and you shake out the clumps of grass, and the dirt will fall out of the clumps. The grass roots will die fairly quickly. You could wait a couple of days. And then I would turn it over again. After you get all the grass out of it, turn it over again a couple of times and just get really nice, loose, clean soil. And you want to do all of this before your seedlings, or like with the pumpkins, I'll probably sow those directly in the ground. This is right now only going to be about 6 foot square, but it's just a start. It's a little chilly today. I can do more tomorrow. I can expand it. And that's the thing about gardening. If you decide you want to grow a new plant, you can add a section, add a square, add a rectangle, so you can grow with your garden. But I think it's time we start thinking about being a little bit more self-sufficient. That's what I'm going to do anyway.